I'm so hungry, Daddy.
Good evening. Welcome in. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Wow! So much yummy food. I want pizza. A large pizza. Okay.
Okay. And a salad to share.
Mm-hmm.
One big pizza and a salad, please.
And apple juice for me, please.
Here is your water. Enjoy.
Whoa! The pizza is so big!
This pizza is delicious.
Liam, try a little salad.
I don't know, Mommy. It's good. I like it.
Good job, sweetie.
A sweet surprise for you.
Ice cream. Thank you. I love pizza night.
Me too, my love.